I'm getting ready to make a withdrawal on probably one of the easiest affiliate programs that I have ever promoted. And it's nice because it just sits there in the background. And if you drive traffic once, everything else is done for you. This program is called Olsp, and I actually joined years ago, and it was so confusing. It was hard to figure out. And they just this last year revamped the whole entire program to streamline it, to make it simple to understand what they offer and how they help people. And that's why I'm all in for this program. So right now I'm getting ready to make a $512 withdrawal. And it's been nice because I've made $1,125 with this program, and I've virtually done nothing for it. Maybe a couple of videos, but basically it's about helping people. You get leads in, all you have to do is drive traffic to get leads, and they do all the follow-ups for you. Here they have a group with 147,000 members. What I love is they show you every single day how many commissions were paid out that day. So right here, in the last 24 hours, 774 people got paid out commissions. Yesterday was like 1,250 people got paid out commissions. It always says what you have your pending commission balance here, ready to go. It always shows you what level you are on the journey. So they have a free level. They've got the mega link, which is this $7. Like I said, the mega builder is basically the Gohighlevel sub account. And if you get team builder, you get the lifetime of that. Plus you also get the 2-tier commissions, which is awesome. Shows you what events are coming up on your schedule. So you can go ahead and see what schedules are coming up, what is happening. So you see here, we got a bunch of trainings posted and ready to go. So they're going to have trainings. They're going to have lives every single week. They have strategy sessions on how to build your business, how to build your email list, and how to be successful as an affiliate marketer, which is pretty awesome. So over on the side, you have the commissions where you can go ahead and generate commissions on either your front end commissions or on your recurring Evergreen commissions. They got a bunch of stuff for Evergreen, as well as being able to buy traffic. You can promote traffic, solo ads. Like I said, he's one of the best solo ad providers in the market. So you can buy solo ad traffic for yourself. I got me here, the team builder high ticket commission. And you see here that there is tons of engagement here in the group, 66 comments, 99 reactions. There are people here winning every day. Every one of these that you see is a high ticket commission. And there's also small successes all throughout. So you see here all of these people posting about their success. This guy right here, look at this. He made $104,000 so far in the Olsp program, which is amazing. So you can see that over here, everybody's posting their wins. Everybody's posting their high ticket commissions, their regular commissions, $25, $113, $80. So, people are winning all the time. $500, $147, $44. Look, tons and tons of winners all the time. These are all high ticket commissions. High ticket commissions. Look at this. Every single day. And like I said, there's so many different ways that you can get commissions on this. High ticket commissions, recurring commissions. You can get product commissions, training commissions, front end commissions, solo ad traffic commissions, like everything that you need to help you as an affiliate marketer is included in the program. You have your Evergreen offers that you can promote here in the back end. And on top of that, every single month, they have monthly giveaways. So this month, there's a $17,000 giveaway. Last month, there was a $100,000 giveaway. So there's always giveaways every single month. So if you get a lot of leads, if you do a lot of interactions, if you do a lot of comments, if you get a lot of high ticket sales, you're able to get up on the leaderboard and you have the ability to make large prizes. So right here, first prize, 10 grand, second prize, 3 grand, third prize, 1,500, fourth prize, and it goes all the way down to the top 20. So you can get additional bonuses on top of your commissions. Plus, you're helping people get a leg up, which is amazing. Like I said, this is one of the best, most uplifting programs that I've been in. And I love it because it literally provides everything that you need to be successful, as opposed to just promoting a single course. It has everything you need to be successful in this particular system or anything else you want to promote. It gives you all the tools to promote anything that you desire. So let's look at it here. So they actually have, let's see here. They have 7 products that you need for affiliate marketing. So you can either have it sold as recurring, or you can do lifetime, and it locks in lots and lots of extra benefits. So this is one of my favorite 2-tier commission programs, where not only do you get commissions on the sales that you get, but you also get commissions on all the sales that the people under you get as well. So you're able to stack 2-tier commissions. So all the people that you bring on, anything that they sell, you also get a small piece of also, which is really, really nice. And they have multiple trainings. They got 7 products that you need for affiliate marketing. So you have the opportunity to either get recurring or a lifetime Gohighlevel sub account, which they call Mega Builder. And with this, instead of paying $98 a month for Gohighlevel sub account, you're able to get Mega Builder. It has all the features inside Gohighlevel that you can use, and you don't ever have to pay for it again, which is amazing. So right there, you cut out a huge expense. And you can either pay for it monthly, or if you get the lifetime deal, they always have specials running on the lifetime deal, which is really, really nice. Also, they have something called Elmessenger Pro. They call it Mega Messenger. And basically, they are white labeling Elmessenger Pro. So instead of paying $67 a month, you get it for a lifetime, or you could also buy it for recurring. So you have that option. And the great thing about that is that allows you to do organic marketing on Facebook, and it automates about 90% of the process. So you're able to go ahead and do friend requests automatically. You're able to send messages automatically. You're able to automatically respond to money posts. And you're also able to go ahead and link it to Gohighlevel or your Mega Builder, as they call it. And you will go ahead and be able to link those leads in between. So when you are helping people solve questions, you are adding friends from groups in your niche, whatever you're trying to promote, you can go ahead and automate about 90% of that process with the Mega Messenger or Elmessenger Pro. So when you drive people in for leads, they will actually upsell them on all of these different things during trainings, during live calls. They have upsells, they do emails, and they do this for the life of the lead. So when you bring a lead, it's your lead for the lifetime once they opt into your system. So if they buy anything, or if they buy any of the upsells now or years in the future, they're always yours. So you don't have to worry about some other big affiliate, converting them and selling them after you brought them in as a lead. So get them in as a lead, help them grow through their journey, and you guys can grow together. Now, if you do get the lifetime team builder that has the lifetime Gohighlevel account, the lifetime Elmessenger Pro account, or Mega Builder and Mega Messenger, you get 2-tier commissions. So that gives you the ability to be able to get money off of everything that you sell from promoting, as well as anybody that signs up under you as well. You also get a percentage of what they get. And currently, they actually have 200% commissions on some of the things, which is pretty great. They might be changing it around in the future, but right now we're getting 100% on what we do, plus a percentage of what they do on almost everything that they sell as well. So it is a no-brainer to be able to get lifetime commissions, lifetime leads, and have them do all the sales, all the follow-up, all the trainings. All you have to do is bring the leads in. So whether you're using solo ad traffic, whether you're using YouTube videos, or you're using TikTok shorts, Instagram reels, Facebook shorts, any one of those works on bringing in cold traffic to warm it up to be able to get them to convert. And like I said, I've only made a few videos on this, a couple of posts. I really haven't done anything to really heavily promote this program. And I've already made $1,125 in a couple of months. So definitely not bad at all. I love it. I went ahead and submitted my request. I have my pending withdrawal right here. And so if you want to go ahead and get 7 passive streams of income from one link, make sure you check out the first link in the description, 7passivestreams.com. And if you are wanting to get rid of your affiliate marketing bills forever, then you can go ahead and check out the lifetime deal for the team builders, where you can go ahead and get the lifetime Gohighlevel account, the lifetime Elmessenger Pro account, 2-tier commissions with high ticket affiliate commissions up to $2,500, and instantly get lifetime access to almost every product that Olsp offers. So you'll have all the trainings, all the products, and you'll have the ability to go ahead and stack these commissions on autopilot while people from your lead traffic opt in, and then the system follows up with everything, with emails, with trainings, with calls, upsells, and closings. Hopefully this Olsp review has been helpful. If it is, all right, thank you so much for watching here on the Passive Cash Stacker. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.